how you call me here. Wang 老师. Yeah, speak aloud, okay? How do you call me here? Wang 老师. Good job. Yeah, well done. You get a good started here. Okay, welcome new students. Wow, it's crowded here. Oh, okay. I got a name tag here. Well, but I need lots. You want 2 more words, Tina. Okay, so, and I'm so glad. I'm excited today. I waited a long time, the whole week. Yeah, I work on my teaching materials and get ready. Okay, so now how do we start? Yeah, so I want to know who you here have learned Chinese before? Well, maybe there. You learned Chinese before? I mean the students beside Tina.
Yeah, they can speak a few sentences.
Oh, nice. Can you show me what sentence you learned?
我不会说中文。
Oh, you should go to our intermediate class. Yeah, I guess.
Chinese.
Okay, that's the way you call me, okay? Yeah, so if you call me the other way, I won't answer your questions. Okay. Okay, so and how do we get started? And many of you know how to greet a Chinese people. When you just get off the airplane and I think your first stop is Beijing or something. Yes. So and that's the place, the capital city, where the Beijing, is the capital city. So and now if you say ni hao, so that's I put the words here. Ni hao, that's hello. You can say these words to every people there in China. So now let's get warm up by ni hao. Let's say 3 times together, okay? Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Good job. Yeah. So that's you're really I can tell you will learn Chinese very good. You will be a Chinese speaker soon after. Okay. So and then before we learn a little bit more about Chinese, and you need to learn a few rules. Can you see maybe too small. And okay, let's do it this way. First, don't be intimidated by Chinese. It is easy. 1-year-old boy or girl, they start to speak. So how old are you? You can speak for sure, no problem. Okay, and when you speak Chinese, and you need to open up your mouth big as you can. So, 你好.
你好.
So you can say 你好. Right? It's not Chinese. 你好.
你好.
That's it. So that's easy. And don't worry about making any mistakes. You can tell yourself when we, Chinese people speak English, we often make some mistakes, but you can understand. Don't worry about that. So just speak, okay? And I need to tell you, when you visit China for the first time in June, you will discover how incredibly appreciative the Chinese people are of the Chinese are of anyone who attempts to speak their language. So remember the first greeting we learned. How is that? How to greet Chinese people? 你好. Open your mouth. 你好.
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 Good. And all the hours you spend here, let me count. You're gonna be in this classroom for how many? Maybe 10 hours. Those hours you will find it will pay off as well after you get to China. So you will be rewarded greatly, believe me. Okay, so before we learn Chinese, we need to know something, the language, the Chinese people speak. Because China is one of the biggest countries in the world, right? So I think, yes, I think so, one of the biggest country. And every province in China has their own, the language, regional dialect. So, but in China, maybe for now, Chinese people, you got many Chinese people here. And there are two main strands of language here. One is Cantonese. The other one is Mandarin. Yeah, so, and to tell you the truth, you know what? Mandarin, this word, I never know before I moved to Canada. Because Chinese people don't use that word at all. And what we use is, we have this 3 word, 普通话. That means Mandarin. That means the Man people. China is a diversified ethnic groups in China. So that the 普通话 or Mandarin is Man ethnic group. The people, they speak this language. So, and the Mandarin is the official language of mainland China and also Taiwan. Okay? And the Mandarin is the dialect of the masses, and it is spoken by more people on earth than any other language today, because in the given China's huge population. So, and the Cantonese. Here's the Cantonese, and in Chinese, in China people say 粤语, it's Cantonese, and actually it's spoken in Guangdong. A province, Hong Kong, and Macau. Yeah, those 3. So that's from very south of China. The people there, they speak Cantonese. And Mandarin is the people from the north of China. They speak Mandarin. Let's look at those maps. This map, okay? So I tried to paste the map into my PowerPoint, but I couldn't. I don't know what happened to my computer. So this is the map of China. And who can tell me where is the capital city? You're going there, right? In just 1 month, you're going there. Where's... what was the capital city of China? Yeah, Beijing. And where is it? This is look like, the shape looks like a rooster, right? So, it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. And Mandarin actually comes from this part. The people live in the northern China. Sometime long ago, back in China history, the government of Chinese people, the government decided which language should be the official language. And the people vote, and finally, man beat the other language. They just 1 vote more, the Cantonese, according to what I know. So, and here the people, the Beijing people, they speak Mandarin, very simple. So try after you get there, try to find some Beijing people to talk with, and you will learn what they're how you can feel like what they speak, how they speak this language. Okay, so and Guangdong and is here, Hong Kong is here, it's very south. Macau is here, and this is Taiwan. Okay, yeah. So, and you are gonna Xi'an, right? So where's Xi'an, do you know? Xi'an is, where's Yeah, here is Shanxi province, and it's right up here, Xi'an. Yeah, so you move across the, get in the middle of China. Yeah, I believe so, right? Yeah. So, do you have any questions right now?
So in Taiwan, is it mostly
Yes, yeah. The Taiwan people, they speak Mandarin.
because it's strange that it's south
Yeah.
and they and all of their neighbors speak Cantonese.
Yeah, that's that comes from the history. The government of Taiwan is actually they moved from mainland China to Taiwan because there's a civil war in 1940s, and then and that party moved from mainland China to Taiwan. But they speak Mandarin. So after that, Taiwan people speak Mandarin as well. Okay, good question. Okay, now, okay, so before we learn Chinese, you need to know one very important point about how to speak. And pinyin spelling, we use pinyin a lot. And for example, the capital city, we say Beijing, right? But you know what? When I started to learn English when I was, I think, 9 years old, I started to learn English when I was in grade 3. I still remember my first English teacher. And what happened is that when I moved up to grade 6, I changed my school. And many classmates in my class, they never learned English before. So I had to learn this language again, start from the very beginning. So that's what happened to me. When I start to learn English, and the capital city, we say Beijing, but in my textbook, it sounds like Peking, like that. So I don't know where did this word come from, but it was there when I was a child. But now, and the people started to use pinyin, like Beijing. We never use Peking. Yeah, why? So pinyin is help you to spell the way it sounds, and so you can see for decades Chinese had been transliterated in many ways. But what happened is in 1979, People's Republic of China officially adopted pinyin as its official romanization system. So that's the standard way to learn how to speak Chinese. Yeah, but we do use Latin letters like English, right? So we use pinyin, but different pronunciation. Yeah, some of them are very different. Okay, so do you have questions? Okay, and so for example, that's pinyin. So Shihang, can you where's Shihang? Okay, Weiqi, can you give them out the pinyin? Yeah, so I prepared 3 handouts for everybody of you for you to look at what is pinyin. And so how we use English letters to spell Chinese words. That's the way, we speak. So we just need to have a quick look, and so make sure you understand what is pinyin used in Chinese. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So there's another piece you need to keep it. That's the words we need to learn today.
Oh, yeah. No, you can never just need one more. Stay both. I'll go touch.
Thank you.
Okay, look at this. I put it together. So there are some initials because Chinese words made of two parts: initials and you need finals, right? So and I put some initials on the first page, and on the second is the last syllable, is the final sounds. So. I think in our short class we don't have time, to go into detail how to. Let's just read together. Read after me. I'll start from the first initials. And you know how to read English words, but it changed a little bit, and we can try to read it first. Okay. Now we go from the first and go down right to the top. Okay? Okay, read after me. Bo. 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 Good. Okay, speak aloud. Open your mouth, remember? Okay. Po. 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 There's a strong air comes out. Po. Po. Good job. Okay. Yeah, oh good, you're practicing, hey? And mo. Good. So English m, but Chinese just like that. Yeah, good. And the fourth one, fu. And I put some English examples. After the class, you need to review. That English words will help you to speak in Chinese way. Okay. Where we are. Okay. The next one, de. And English is de. How to read in English? De. Oh, de. And Chinese, you need to last long. De. Good. Okay. Good job. You're a gifted student. I know why you got selected. You're so talented. And no. Look at my mouth. No. Open your mouth. No. Lo. We are going down. Lo. Good. Go. Good. Good job. H. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Yeah. Good. Oh, yeah. I feel something strange here. Like that. Good job. And the what's
Which
the
one are
next
we
one?
on?
Yeah.
Which one are we on?
So are we good? Are you good? Okay. So how to read J? Ji. Look at me. Ji. Airplane in Chinese we say 飞机. That's the word. Ji. Good. You're learning Chinese for sure. Okay. Oh, next one is, something changed here. Q, right? But how we read in Chinese? Qi. Good. Qi. You don't need to open your mouth this one because you just qi. Good job. That means 7 in Chinese. 7. Yeah, you'll learn that number soon. So that means 7. Qi.
Can you say the difference between J?
Yeah, G, J, and it reads like G. Q reads like Qi. Put a piece of paper in front of your mouth, and you can feel your paper will vibrate. So that means Yes, you're correct. Okay, I'll try.
G is actually easy because in English we have Jeep.
Oh.
That's G, the J. Jeep, the G.
Yeah, Jeep. Yeah, that's yeah. So
We'll put that down.
yeah, good. Okay, 刘老师 yeah, is right. G. So G, qi, qi, qi. Put your hand in front. Qi. Good. Qi. Good. And the ear, yeah, comes out. Yeah, you're right. Okay. And the X, you know, in Chinese it reads like xi, xi. That's the difficult part. You know, when Chinese people learn C, this word, they can't read it because there's no C like that in Chinese. But in Chinese we have, how to read it? Xi, xi. Good. Okay. So that's it. You're good. And what's the next one? And the Z. And Z it reads z, z. Very, you know, yeah, lots of bright vibrations. Z, z. Good. Z. Good.
No, it's not Z, it's Z.
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah. Like that. So good. So and the next one is a C, right? Oh, where we are. So C is c, 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 c. Good. C, and there c, c, like that. Yeah. C. Yeah, good job. Okay. And S, you know, that's S. Like a snake, you know, when you can think like a snake, you know, like that. But this one is, yeah, a little bit lighter. Yeah, so, and you know, ZH, look at that one. That's Chinese word. You need to roll up your tongue this time. Zh, 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 zh. Good. CH, ch, so ch, that means to eat in Chinese. Good. Okay. And the SH, sh, is here. 师, right? 王老师. So you can't say 王老师, that's not right. So 王老师. Good. 师. Good. Roll up your tongue. Okay. So now R. This one is a little bit tricky, and we read like yeah, R, right? You're laughing. Why? Yeah, so
Just like in English, we see red.
It's just an expression. It's just stop. It's like gross.
Oh, yeah. And this word, you know, when the sun in the sky, the sun is 日 in Chinese. Yeah, this initial, we use this. Okay. Okay, the last two, W is 乌. That's easy, okay? 乌, 乌. Yeah, like that. Okay. And the last one, you know, Y. How do we read it? Is E. Yeah, E. Yeah, that's easy. E. E. Yeah, E. 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 That's right. We are right. Yeah, we are on our way. Good. Okay. How do you think Chinese? And we have lots of finals, you know. Oh, yeah. So I want to make sure, okay, we won't go from the first to the last on this page, but I want to do a test here.